want to do a little bit demo on Microsoft Office Word. Microsoft Office Word. So if you have a Microsoft Office Word on your Android device or on your PC, no matter the version, 2007, 1993, 1999, 2010. So what you do, just type equals sign. I will want to increase this so that you can see it very well. So make it 20. It doesn't matter, just for your own interest. So you say equals, say Lauren, you open and close the parentheses. Then you touch the enter button. This is what you see as a result. Can we do it again? We say equals Lauren, open and close the parentheses, enter. So you can now do your formatting and do whatever you want to do with it. Thank you.